Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to WhatsApp unsaved contact. If you want to contact WhatsApp your unsaved contacts, so you just have to open your browser and here just enter the code. Here you just have to enter WA, then dot, then ME, then enter slash, then you just have to enter the country code, and after that you just have to enter the number you want to contact with. As I have entered this one, so just tap on it, and here you can see just tap on continue chat and then select your WhatsApp app. And now you can see I don't save this contact, but I can message them. So that's how you can message anyone on WhatsApp by unsaved your contact. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.